Today for homework, you are going to be working on mean, median, mode, and range. Those are four things that we've learned about in class: mean, median, mode, and range. Mean is the average, mode is the most, median is the middle, and range is the difference between the highest number and the lowest number. So before we start on our homework, I'm going to give us an example, okay? So here's an example of some numbers that I have. They are 3, 9, 7, 3, and 2. Okay, I have some symbols here that might help you with remembering what mean is, and that's the very first one we're going to do. Mean is when you divide the numbers, by however many numbers there are, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But the first thing that you have to do is you have to add up all the numbers. So you'd have to add up all of your numbers that's in the data set and then divide by however many numbers there are. So today you're going to have to find the mean. The very first thing I would suggest you do before you do finding the mean, median, mode, or range is always put the numbers in from least to greatest. So looking at my data set, my least number, my smallest number, is 2. So I'm going to go ahead and put my numbers in order. 2. Another thing I would suggest you do is cross it off. 2, 3, 3, 7, then 9. Okay, so there's my data set. Now, when I want to find the mean, what I first need to do is add all the numbers up. So 2 plus 3, let's do it up here. 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 7 plus 9. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 3 more is 8. Okay, then 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 9 is 24. Okay, once we've found how much it is added up, we then divide it. So you have to do 24, divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 24 divided by 5. When we divide, we have to say how many times does 5 go into 24. For this one, you can count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. Your answer would be 4. Subtract 20. You'd get 4. 4 remainder 4 is your answer for this set of data for your mean. Now when we have to find the median, we have our numbers here. And median is always the middle. Here's something to help you remember the median. Median is always the middle, okay, the middle numbers. Now in this set of data, what's going to happen is, the reason that they circled 2 here is because if you have 2 numbers, you have to add up those numbers and then you have to divide by 2 because you added up 2 numbers. So you find the mean of the median, okay? So on this one, to find the median, what you're going to have to do is cross them off. 1, 1, 2, 2. Okay? Our median number is 3. So for this set of data, it would be 3. The next one that we're going to find out is the mode. This is the number that occurs the most. This is something to help you. See, mode is 4 times. Mode, 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 mode. It is the number that appears the most in the set of data. So if here's my set of data, we have 2, 3, 3, 7, 9. The mode would be 3 because we have 2 numbers. Okay, and then the range, here's another way to remember range. It's the biggest number minus the smallest number. So for this set of data, it would be the biggest, which is 9, minus 2, and that equals 7. So it would be 9 minus 2 equals 7. Okay? Alright, so if we look at our page for homework, on the side that says mean, median, mode, and range up at the top, you have a set of numbers: 30, 42, 45, 38, 34, and 36. Okay, the very first thing that you need to do, just like I did, is put the numbers in order from least to greatest. And it has you wanting to number the orders. That's the first step that you're going to do. Okay, once you're done with that set, and once you're done finding the mean, median, mode, and range, down at the bottom it's going to say what happens if another student's time was recorded. She read 60 minutes last night. So what you're going to do is you're going to talk about how it would change the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. What I would do is put that number in the set of data and add it to your list, and then go ahead and find the mean, median, mode, and range of that set, okay, with when you added that 60 in there. Okay, on the back sheet has some word problems. These word problems are also going to have you, it says average, which is the mean, so don't get confused. So it says average, median, mode, and range. And you're going to find that for 3 problems. Now down at the bottom it says a challenge. I only want you to do that if you have time. I don't want you to do that if it's too hard for you. Don't worry about it. It's just a challenge. Okay? But for the word problems, I want you to be underlining all of the important details in the word problem. Okay? So again, what you're going to do is you're going to find the mean, median, mode, and range of a set of data, and then you're going to do the 3 word problems, which is finding the mean, median, mode, and range. The mean, again, is the average. You add up all the numbers and then divide by the number of numbers that's in the set of data. The mode is the number that occurs the most. The median is the middle number. Cross off all the middle, cross off the numbers, find the middle. If there's 2 middle numbers, you need to add those 2 numbers up and then divide by 2. And then the range is the biggest minus the smallest. Alright, good luck on your homework, and I'll see you tomorrow.